Doesn't this smoked and spicy red beans and rice look delicious? Oh my goodness, we're gonna make this week. So subscribe to my channel so we can see how it's done. And let's talk about the flavors.